All right, here we are on the next stop on the Grand Canyon South Rim field trip, where we're going to walk along the Trail of Time. It's a nice interpretive effort to explain the entire geologic history of the Grand Canyon. So where is it? Let's zoom in on roughly this area. The Trail of Time follows the Rim Trail, which, like it sounds, travels along the rim of the Grand Canyon. The Trail of Time itself starts at the small visitor center here and heads east along the rim out to and finishes at the Yavapai Geology Museum. The intent of the Trail of Time is to give visitors a complete look at all of the rocks of the Grand Canyon, where they are in terms of the history of when they formed, and to help to give you a sense of the timeline. The trail is the length of the trail is designed to cover the entire time of the history, the geologic history of the Grand Canyon. So here's the start. There's a nice little display of the rocks of the Grand Canyon with the Vishnu schist, the basement rocks on the bottom, the supergroup tilted rocks here, and then a Paleozoic sequence on top. Along the path, it is a paved path. The Trail of Time, the timeline starts at 1,890 million years ago, or 1.89 billion years ago. And every meter of the trail represents 1 million years. So every meter along the trail, there are these little round metal things in the path. And so every roughly 2 or 3 paces that you take, you've passed through 1 million years of time. And every so often there are larger symbols here in the path representing certain important geologic events, and there's a nearby display to explain what was important at that time. Along the path, there are examples of all of the major rock units within the Grand Canyon. For example, here's the Vishnu schist, and I usually show you at 2 different views. The sun was rather low in the sky at the time that I took these images, so I give you 2 views, one showing the display and the age, and then one kind of off to the side to see it as best as possible, like this one. There are also some interpretive signs which help to clue your eye into the important geologic features, in this case the Kaibab limestone, to help you see it when you look off into the landscape right above the sign. So that's the end of the intro. Go take a look for yourself, and I'll see you soon.